Okay, I'm going to show you my seashell technique. I'm going sideways today and I'm just using one color and one tip. There's lots of variations you can do. I've done pulling up before and I've done different tips alternating, but I'll just show you a really simple version today. I've covered my cake and I'm going to start with my round tip, my big large round tip, and I'm going to start just making round circles. So you push, pull away, push, pull away, pull away. Then you're going to get a small offset spatula, and with the back of it, you're just going to pull gently and wipe it off in between each pull. Put it right towards the edge there, push and pull. And then when you start your new row, you're just gonna go kind of overlap a little bit. Do the next circles overlapping where you pull. And we're gonna continue all the way around. Okay, now you can see I'm going along the top here, and it's a little bit more time consuming along the top. I do one round, and then I have to pull, wipe it off, and then do the next one on top of that. Pull, wipe it off. Now when you get to the end, it's kind of tricky. I pulled that one right next to the starting one, and then I'm going to put one more dot on top there and get a toothpick and just kind of push it in a little bit, just so it looks more consistent with the rest of the design. It's not going to be perfect. That's okay. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to freeze it, and then I'm going to pull it out after it's frozen and kind of push it in with my finger. It'll be easier to work with. And I just keep going around like that.